everyone, welcome back to Hands-Free Studying for the MBE, brought to you by Brainscape.
These upcoming questions are related to civil procedure topic on jury trials. Let's get started. Question 1. When does a party have a right to a jury trial? Federal Rule 38 and also the 7th Amendment guarantees parties have the right to a jury trial in all civil actions. Now, remember that this right only exists for claims under law, not those under equity. Question 2. If both legal and equitable relief is sought, does the right to a jury still exist? Yes, the right to a jury exists, but only for the non-equitable claims, meaning the claims for damages. Question 3. How can a party demand a jury trial? First, file a written demand within 14 days after the last pleading. And second, properly serve that written demand to the other parties. And this is from Rule 38B. Question 4. Does a party need to redemand a jury trial if the case is removed to federal court? No, as long as the jury trial was properly demanded initially. And this is Rule 81C3. Question 5. Does failure to properly serve and file the demand for a jury trial constitute a waiver of that right? Yes, a party waives their right to a jury trial unless its demand is properly served and filed. And this is Rule 38D. You're doing awesome. Let's take a quick study break to remind you that it's important to space your studies over time. A little bit every day, starting very early, is way better than cramming at the end. Now, let's get back to questions 6 through 10. Question 6. How many jurors are required to form a jury? 6 to 12 members. Each juror must also participate in the verdict unless they are excused under Rule 47C. Question 7. Do jury verdicts need to be unanimous? Yes. Jury verdicts must be unanimous and returned by a jury of at least 6 members, unless stipulated otherwise. And this is from Rule 48B. Question 8. Define voir dire, also known as voir dire. The process by which jurors are selected. Question 9. What are challenges for cause and how many does each side have? Challenges for cause are used to dismiss a potential juror due to bias, and there's an unlimited number per side. Question 10. What are preemptory challenges? Preemptory challenges allow a party to dismiss a juror for any reason, as long as that reason is race and gender neutral. And this is in Rule 47B.
And that's the end of your 10 flashcard study round. To reach full mastery, remember to study in Brainscape. Our mobile and web app uses the latest in spaced repetition techniques, allowing you to optimize your study time and track your progress down to the finest detail. Of course, when you're driving, cooking, exercising, or otherwise unable to navigate the app, be sure to keep listening to the rest of this hands-free studying playlist. No matter what subject you're learning and what method you're studying it, Brainscape helps you rise to your challenge.